In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the Punnett square tool. Now, it's important to note that there are several of these tools located throughout the world, and you can find them in trait cross stations. However, in this example, we're going to be using the trait cross station in Ludnam Crossing. So here I am at the trait cross station, and you'll notice I have some flowers here. To begin, I want to go ahead and use my trait decoder tool, and I'll click on these blue icons to reveal the genetics for this flower. And we can see those here. This is important for my observations so that I know which two flowers I want to create a Punnett square for. So once I know which flowers I'm going to use, I'll go ahead and click on the trait cross station here, and this dialog will pop up. It will ask me to drag in two similar creatures or plants to breed. So let's go ahead and drag in my two missile flowers. And you'll notice these options on the bottom highlight once I have those in there. And I'll go ahead and click on Punnett square here. And you can see I have my flowers here on the side and on the top. And on the left hand side here we have the traits, the color, electricity, and the height for these plants. I'll go ahead and click on the color, and you can see that creates the outline for a Punnett square. And what I can actually do is I can drag these over to start filling my Punnett square out. So I'll go drag that over, drag this one down. So as I'm completing my Punnett square, once I'm finished, you'll actually be able to save this, and it will create an item for your inventory. So I'll just finish this up here and click Save Punnett Square at the bottom here. And you'll notice that the item appears in my inventory, and if I click on that and choose Examine at the bottom, you can see the saved results over here. Now you can also do a dihybrid Punnett square. So in this case I have my two flowers picked out. I'll go ahead and click on Punnett square, and this time I'm going to click on the color, and I'm also going to click on the height. So you can see here that's represented in this dihybrid Punnett square. And you'll notice once I drag these over this time, it will actually group the like traits together. So notice that it groups the A's together and the H's together once I drop those in. Now once you have this completed, you can also save this. So I'll just click Save Punnett Square here at the bottom. And just like before, this will create the item, drop it into my inventory, and if I would like to, I can examine it to view the saved results.